This dog found herself in the wrong place at the wrong time. But how did she end up there? And why aren't those tigers attacking her? Before I tell you the story, please like and subscribe. Meet Isabella, the mother of these adorable tigers. Unfortunately, the cubs lost their real mother. Isabella stepped in as their surrogate mother, providing love, care, and protection. Despite their natural instincts, the tigers see Isabella as their family, and she reciprocates their affection. Sometimes, love knows no boundaries. Isabella's selfless act reminds us that family comes in all shapes and sizes.